Similar to T, the letter D is created by slightly opening your mouth and placing the tip of your tongue on the hard palate. However, you must activate your voice. Similar to the letter T, the letter D is in the middle of your mouth. So if these are your teeth, you want to generate it right up here. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Not da, 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 da. Not here. Up here. But you don't need to puff as much. D is also affected by the vowel sound, and your tongue will travel inside your mouth. Example, day, dollar, do. Day, dollar, do. Day, dollar, do. When words end with the letter D, we often mark it. However, we do not complete the sound. For instance, dad, bed. So we start the sound by marking it, but we don't finish the sound. Remember, the letter D is generated da, da, da. So what we do is we go da, 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 bed, bed, bed. So we don't say da, da, bed. It's important to mark D to avoid linking vowel sounds from different words. Incorrect. Your dad and Bob. Correct. Your dad and Bob. D is affected a lot by R. At that point, start at D, then go back to the R's throat vibration, guided by the vowel. Let's see. Drive, hydrant. We can make similar sounds, D and D, in this sentence. The dragons loved each other. Notice that dragons and loved have the D sound. The and other have the sound. So always update your notes when you see a new sound. Trying to remember everything is too complicated. Create your own style of shorthand and practice by speaking out loud. Now, go practice and enjoy.